5 Best Utility Knife. Here is the product number 5. Stainless Steel Folding Utility Knife. Non-slip design. 5SK5 hardened blades for replacement. Folding design for easy carry and use. Material, high carbon steel plus plastic. Total length, 150 mm/5.91. Blade length, 60 mm/2.36. Quantity, 1 set. Change blade, push here. Here is the product number 4. Sharkbang Kawaii Portable Many-Carat Art Knife. Sharkbang Kawaii Portable Many-Carat Art Knife Express Unpacking Envelope Office Paper Cutting Art Knife School Stationery. Type, Mini Art Knife. Higher quality art knife. Color, orange. Size, 14.4 cm and 7.3 cm. Weight, about 0.065 kg. Material, plastic plus metal. Here is the product number 3. 2 pieces/set art knife art supplies utility knife. Brand name, Kevin and Sasa Crafts. Model number, Z719. Materials, stainless steel. Weight, 0.035 kg. Kevin and Sasa Crafts is known for fashion stationery and crafts design, and the products feature bright, vibrant colors and comfortable feeling, make all kids have a happy, great and unique school time. Here is the product number 2. Deli 1 pieces high quality alloy steel knife. Deli 1 pieces high quality alloy steel knife durable utility knife for carving open box wallpaper cutter material Escolar stationery. Brand name, Deli. Model number, 2034. Origin, CN Origin. Weight, 20 grams. Blade length, 130 mm. Brushed stainless steel. Here is the product number 1. Fruit Food Craft Sculpture Engraving Utility Knife. New non-slip metal 6 blades with carving tools Fruit Food Craft Sculpture Engraving Utility Knife for stationery art supplies. Brand name, Nerd. Model number, DN1. Condition, brand new plus high quality. Material, metal. Weight, about 18.7 grams. Size, about 14.2 centimeters.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.